Ever wondered how the future of health and fitness looks like? Picture a world where technology and health intertwine seamlessly, creating an environment that not only monitors your health, but also guides you towards your fitness goals. Welcome to the era of the AI dashboard of health fitness. This innovative platform works by collecting user activity data from your fitness devices and transmitting it to the cloud. This data-driven dashboard then generates weekly and monthly reports about your health and activity. These aren't just numbers on a screen, but detailed insights into your health parameters, such as your body mass index, blood pressure, glucose levels, pulse rate, cholesterol, body temperature, physical activities, and even your sleep pattern. But it's not just about the data collection. The real magic happens when this data is analyzed and personalized recommendations are created for you. Thanks to the power of machine learning and artificial intelligence, these recommendations are tailored specifically to you, guiding you on what steps can be taken to improve your health report. Imagine receiving a notification suggesting a slight change in your diet or an adjustment in your workout routine, all based on your personal health data. The AI dashboard of health fitness makes this a reality, helping you identify irregular patterns in your health to avoid alarming situations. This revolutionary dashboard is designed using cutting-edge software tools like JavaScript, D3, JAs, and data model analysis with R/Python. The approach is simple yet effective. Collect data, analyze it, and provide personalized recommendations. Blackcoffer's AI dashboard of health fitness doesn't just show you your health data, it interprets it for you. From different activity graphs to health fitness charts, the dashboard presents your data in an easy-to-understand format. The user-friendly interface allows you to generate your own report right from the dashboard, and the future looks even brighter. Blackcoffer's current capabilities of the AI dashboard of health fitness include recording data of walking steps, running distance, calories burned, types of exercises, heart rate, weight management, and sleep pattern. But soon, it will be able to produce reports that are usable to doctors for medical treatment. It will visualize problems, diagnosis, medications, procedures, immunizations, allergies, vitals, and lab measures, and provide personalized recommendations. Think about it. A world where your health data isn't just numbers on a screen, but a guide to a healthier, fitter you. Blackcoffer's AI dashboard of health fitness is not just a tool. It's your personal health coach, your motivator, and your guide on the journey to achieving your health goals. So why wait? Embrace the future of health and fitness today with the AI dashboard of health fitness. Your health goals are within reach, and this innovative platform is here to guide you every step of the way.